Hi, Unbox here. Today we have the latest album from Steven Wilson. It's the Harmony Codex limited edition 3-disc deluxe box set. It has the CD Harmony Codex and bonus CD with the 14 tracks, and the Harmony Codex on Blu-ray with the high resolution stereo instrumentals, 5.1 mix, 5.1 instrumentals, Atmos mix and Atmos instrumentals. So let's open it up. It's kind of book thing. There we go. There's the discs. Okay. There's a lot of pages here. Just credits, musicians. Okay. Text. Track 2. Just gonna go in fast through this. Impossible tightrope. Here's some notes. Okay. Rock bottom. Break apart, it says. Beautiful scarecrow. Harmony Codex. Some pages here. Actual brutal facts. Okay. Staircase. Steven. Yes. That's the new album from Steven Wilson, Harmony Codex, Deluxe Edition 3-disc. If you're into collecting, please subscribe and like the video. That's the Blu-ray disc, disc 2, disc 1. Okay, see you later in the next one. Bye bye.